Welcome to my room tour, guys. Hey my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, okay, by the title you already know, but today we are doing the long awaited bedroom tour. I know people have been telling me to do this since when I started my YouTube channel, and at one point I actually wanted to do it, but I'm just never ready to show you guys my room. And even now I wasn't ready, so I was like, I'm just gonna do it. Like, I'm not gonna think. If I think too much, I won't do it. So yeah, so basically my bedroom is like, you can see the sea view perfectly. It's so nice. The view is amazing in the morning and also in the evening time and also at night because of the buildings and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, the main thing is the room. I'm going to show you guys my room briefly. I'm not going to go through the drawers and stuff like that because it'll be too long, guys. So yeah, I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. If you guys want to see this video, then please keep watching. So guys, this is the view from the terrace. Oh my god. So we live in like the last floor, like almost like the penthouse. So this is like my view every day, guys. So pretty. So in love, guys. And I'll give you also the bedroom side view that I get also of the sea view, so that you guys can see that as well. So guys, this is my room door and that is my room keys with a lot of keychains. Yeah, let's go in. So first when you go in, you will see my dustbin right here, the one I bought from Nawal Center, and there's a red carpet over there for the entrance of my washroom, but we're not gonna get into my washroom because it's slightly messy. So yeah, this is my whole, this is the messiest part of my room. It's just like my bags, my hats, and like a lot of stuff like happening over there which I don't want to get into as well. And this is my nail polishes. If you haven't watched my nail polish collection, I will definitely link it down below, guys. And that is my laptop bag. You guys know that I work online, so that is a must for me. This is the switch for the fan and also my light. This is just like the area where I put my, this shouldn't be here, just ignore that. So this is a clip for my hair and all that. This is my perfume collection over here, guys. If you guys want to see that also, please comment down below so that I can do a separate video on that. These are some glass things that I got for putting my rings and all that, because I have so many rings I usually can never find them. That area, this is nothing so special right there. There as well, this is a jewelry kind of box over there. There's a moon lamp right there, and then that is like a Bluetooth speaker, and this is also a glass thing that has my rings. Those are my hair rollers, guys, and with the hair rolling clips and some wires over there. Yeah, so that's an overview for that area. So this is the hallway where we entered from. That is the door that we entered from. I did not show you guys the back side of the door, but there's just a Maybelline bag over there and a few of my my belts over here. So yeah, that is just not really a mess, but yeah, a bit of a mess. Yeah, so this is the messiest, as I said, and I have just like cleaned up my room for you guys, just the slightest bit, so please don't judge me, guys. So that is my watch right there, and when you come this side, this is my dressing table. Very simple. So there's my makeup over here, a bit of my makeup right here. That is my watch and more of my lipsticks over here. These are my body splashes, and this is my bracelets. These are a few of my Akribos watches. This is my Michael Kors watch, These are jewelry boxes right here, and this red thing, if you're wondering what it is, it has glitter inside. And these are earrings, rings, more earrings. This is my SH KENYAN necklace. I don't know, I just keep it because it makes me happy for some reason. This, I don't know why this one is here. Ignore. So these are a few of my earrings that I wear on a daily basis. These are my lenses. This is just a makeup book. So these are some candle holders, as you can see over here, that I usually light up sometimes when my friends come over and all. It looks kind of posh and all that. So these are these twists. I really love eating them. This is my TV remote with that there. This is more of my jewelry in these two boxes. This is full of my earrings, and I don't know what and what is inside there. This is also a candle. So yeah, this is the mirror side, and above the dressing table is my TV, which is I think a 50 or a 55-inch TV. I've even forgotten. And then there's something hanging over here that I just hung, I don't know for what reason, but it looks cute over there. And then when you come on this side, there's nothing on this wall. It's perfect. I like the way it is. There is some of my like kind of glitterish kind of handbags, if I must say. And then there's a scarf holder over there, but all my scarves are in my mom's room. I don't keep them here. And then when you leave this door, that's where my balcony is, but we'll get into that. So when you come this side, there is some of my cross bags over here and other bags up there. I don't know like how many bags inside here. 1, 2, 3, I don't know, I don't remember, but yeah, a few of my bags over there. Above there's nothing. And then when you come down, you will see my makeup collection over here. Those are my foundations. There's a lot of makeup going on over here. By the way, in these drawers there's like more makeup and I don't know what and what, but I don't want to get into my drawers right now because it will just be too much. The video will be just too long. So this is my makeup also over here. And above that I keep my hairstyling tools, like my hair straightener, curler, and all that kind of fun stuff. You guys know that. And beside that there is a chair, a black chair over there. It's actually my YouTube kind of chair. I used to use it a lot before when I used to sit and do my YouTube videos, but I don't use it anymore. But yeah, but it just stays over there with that nice pillowcase over there. And that is my current handbag. I bought it from Pakistan. And then there is a huge window over there. You guys can see the sunset from here, and can you see the lights I was showing you on that building? So pretty. It's so gorgeous, guys. If I take pictures with my phone, if you follow me on Instagram, you will definitely see the pictures that I usually take. And there's some books over here that I sometimes read when I'm in the mood. And there's this YouTube deodorant for some reason, and by the way, that's Aisha. Those are her legs. Ignore that. So this is my YouTube deodorant, which gives me motivation for YouTube. And this is my ring light right here. This is a tripod, and there's another tripod right there. And this actually bag has a few small monopods and tripods and some YouTube stuff over there. And this is my traveling bag for makeup. And over here I have a few of my tongs, blow dry, and other things that I usually use for, like, you know, for my hair and stuff like that. And when you come on this side, this is my shoes. I know people always ask me, Sonia, how do you store all those shoes? Well, this is how I store my shoes, guys. Actually in this shoe rack kind of thing, about 100 and maybe 20 pairs fit over here. As you guys can see, they're like a lot right down over there. And then these are more of heels and all that. And those are like my designer bags. This is, I think, Anne Klein, Michael Kors, Coach, and that one is not a designer bag, but it's just there. I think we should remove that and get Louis Vuitton over there. So anyways, the best part of my room is the bed, which I've tried to arrange as good as possible for you guys at this moment. So this is how my bedside looks like. You guys can see the sunset, very pretty. Those are curtains, velvet curtains. I don't remember, but I got them ordered somewhere. And those things that are holding my curtains I got from Pakistan, and also the same area on that side. This is my bean bag where I love chilling, and you know, when I'm actually stressed I sit here a lot, to be honest. There's a carpet over here which I forgot to show you guys, and this puff kind of thing for my dressing table. So yeah, my room is black, white and red, so you guys can see. And there's a mirror over here which I use a lot for when I'm doing makeup videos, or when I'm actually doing my own makeup. I use that a lot. So you guys can see the view I get at night is pretty stunning, guys. You guys can't see it properly, but it's pretty stunning. It looks very nice. The roads look very nice at night. So when you come on this side, these are my wardrobes over here, which I'm not going to get into because it's just messy there. And the reason why I didn't take you guys to the washroom is because there's also like my wardrobe kind of area over there, which I don't want to show you guys. So as you can see, there are more shoes over there. I know you guys are wondering where I store my 200 pairs of shoes. 120 go there, and a few go there, and a few are in my washroom. So yeah, that is my cloth area. There's also cupboards up here, and there are 2 drawers right here. And this is just like this is the hidden part of my room because it's like super messy. Like people hardly see it unless you really enter my room like completely. So yeah, let's remove the phone over there. So these are a few chocolates over here that I usually eat, and yeah, they break me out. So this is a few bracelets, bangles, necklaces, bangles. That is my YouTube kind of mirror thing that I use when I'm doing YouTube videos. On the other area, that is like hoop earrings over there. These are my combs and brushes and all that. And these are all my deodorants, hairsprays, hair conditioners, I don't know, whatever, guys. There's a lot going on over there, honestly speaking. So yeah, that's my room, and there is a few rings of mine that I've just kept them there. So let me give you guys a quick overview of my room. Hi guys, can you guys see me there? So pretty, so stunning. So guys, let's go to the balcony. I get the best view from here, guys. So there are 2 chairs over here just for chilling and all that. Whenever my friends come and all, they really enjoy like sitting over here. And there's a table over there for like coffee and stuff like that. So yeah, that pillow is pretty cute. So yeah, the best part about this room is the sea view, guys. Can you guys see that? Oh my god, so pretty. Like I wake up to this, I sleep to this. I'm like, it's everything. It's so pretty, and the view I get from here at night is so pretty. Like this building is usually so lit. So guys, I usually switch on these fairy lights at night because it like makes my room feel so nice while so I switch on the fairy lights, and I also switch on the moon lamp. Look at how cute the moon lamp turns, like fades in lights. Oh my god, the colors just look so nice. So I just wanted to show you guys that's how my room looks at night. Guys, you can see how the night view is stunning from the terrace. It's so pretty, honestly speaking. The camera is not doing justice. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and what did you love about my room? I would love to know. I know it was not super clean. I just tried to clean it up for you guys and like keep it as good as possible to show you guys. But the messy area was actually the area that I showed you guys on this side, but I tried to keep this side nice and clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you loved about the room. Did you love the view, the balcony area? Did you like the hallway? Did you like the shoe collection area? I don't know, there's a lot going on in this room. So yeah, I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.